Drone shot pans over misty Asian mountains, revealing lush, dark green forests deep in the remote mountains of Laos and Vietnam. Hidden from human eyes, lives a creature so rare, so mysterious, that most people have never even heard its name. This is the story of an animal that has captivated scientists and locals alike, yet remains almost impossible to find. Welcome to the secret world of the Saola, the Asian unicorn. Camera zooms in on dense forest canopy. Imagine a place where time seems to stand still, where ancient trees tower overhead and mist clings to every leaf. It's here, in these primeval forests, that one of Earth's last great mysteries roams. But spotting a Saola is like trying to catch a ghost. They're masters of evasion, silent shadows in a world untouched by modern life. Our journey begins in 1992, when researchers stumbled upon something extraordinary in a small village market. Among the usual animal parts and forest products, they found a pair of horns unlike anything they'd ever seen. Long, slender, and perfectly straight, these weren't from any known species. It was the first clue that led to one of zoology's most exciting discoveries in decades. Show old photographs of scientists examining the horns. Picture the scene. Excited scientists huddled around these strange horns, their minds racing with possibilities. What kind of animal could these belong to? The locals had stories of a creature they called the forest spirit, but no one in the scientific world had ever documented its existence. This was the moment the Saola stepped out of legend and into reality. But seeing those horns was just the beginning. Actually finding a living Saola in the wild, that's a challenge that has stumped researchers for nearly 30 years. Transition to artistic reconstructions of the Saola. So, what exactly are we looking for? The Saola looks a bit like an antelope, but with some key differences. It has a sleek, chocolate brown coat and those distinctive straight horns that can grow up to 20 inches long. But its most striking feature is its face. Imagine a canvas of white, with bold markings that make it look almost like it's wearing a mask. It's no wonder the locals see it as something magical. Cut to nighttime footage of other forest animals. While we can't show you real footage of a wild Saola, no one's been that lucky. We can give you a glimpse into their world. At night, these forests come alive. Deer pick their way through the underbrush, wild boars root for food, and if you're very lucky, you might catch a glimpse of a clouded leopard on the hunt. The Saola shares this realm, but it's even more elusive than its neighbors. Show dense jungle trails and empty camera trap frames. Why is the Saola so hard to find? Unlike other large mammals, they don't leave obvious tracks. They avoid clearings and open spaces, sticking to the densest parts of the forest. They travel in small groups, sometimes just pairs, and they're incredibly shy. Even modern technology struggles to capture them. Researchers have set up hundreds of camera traps throughout their suspected range, but most of the time, all they get are empty frames. Pan across cultural artwork depicting forest spirits. The Saola's elusiveness has earned it a special place in local culture. In many villages, it's seen as a spirit animal, a creature that exists between our world and the realm of magic. Stories are told of fleeting encounters, of a graceful beast that vanishes like mist when spotted. It's this air of mystery that has earned the Saola its nickname, the Asian unicorn. Show scientists trekking through difficult terrain, but make no mistake, the Saola is very real, and scientists are determined to learn more about it. Every year, teams brave leeches, steep terrain, and oppressive humidity to search for any sign of these animals. It's grueling work, often with little reward, but the possibility of a breakthrough keeps them going. Transition to conservationists and forest patrols. Sadly, the Saola's story, and just one of mystery, it is also a tale of survival against the odds. These animals are critically endangered, with some estimates suggesting there may be fewer than 750 left in the wild. The threats they face are all too familiar. Logging destroys their habitat. Snares set for other animals catch Saolas by mistake. And as human settlements expand, their forest home shrinks. Show fading images of other endangered wildlife. The Saola, alone in its struggle. Many of its forest neighbors, tigers, Asian elephants, pangolins, are also fighting for survival. But there's hope. Conservation efforts are ramping up, with local communities getting involved in protecting these precious forests. Every acre saved is a potential haven for the Saola and countless other species. Close-up of Saola reconstruction or high-quality illustration as we come to the end of our journey. Take a moment to really look at this animal. Those intelligent eyes, the graceful stance, it's a living piece of Earth's history, a creature that has managed to survive in a world that's changing faster than ever before. The Saola reminds us that there are still wonders out there, waiting to be discovered. Fade to black. The Saola may be the rarest animal you'll never see with your own eyes. But by sharing its story, by caring about its fate, we can keep its mystery alive. Who knows? Maybe one day, deep in those misty mountains, someone will capture that elusive footage of a wild Saola. Until then, it remains a symbol of nature's secrets, a reminder that our planet still holds marvels beyond our imagination. If you've been captivated by the Saola's story, there's more you can do. Learn about conservation efforts in Southeast Asia, support organizations working to protect these forests, and most importantly, share this tale with others. Every person who learns about the Saola is another voice that can speak up for its protection. Thank you for joining us on this expedition into one of nature's last great mysteries. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and join us next time as we uncover more hidden creatures of the wild. The forests are calling. What other secrets might they hold?